Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Snapchat and how Snapchat can help your content creation journey. If you don't know what Snapchat is an app that you can download from the Play Store where you can, use to snap yourself. You can use it to chat with your friends. You can, it has so many lenses. When I mean lens, camera lens, that you can have different views of yourself. It's also a social media app where you can share stories, you can share your videos, you can use it for video chats and calls, and even share location. So if you don't have Snapchat, I want you to go to Google Play Store and download it. When you download it, it will be like this. You click on open, and when you open it, it's going to look like this. It's going to just open up with the camera. This is the camera. You can snap yourself by just touching the center as highlighted on this video. You can also swipe to choose the lenses that you want. If you want to switch to the other part of the camera, maybe you don't want selfie, you can click on this icon. So it has a lot of lenses, and if you want them to load, you just need to put on your data so that you can be able to see them. So I'm going to be experimenting. I've snapped myself by clicking the center. If you click on save, you save this picture to your gallery. If you click on stories, you save it to your stories, people can view. If you click on send to, you can share it to your spotlight. Now if you click up here where it wrote adding sound, you can add music to your this thing. You can see I've added the music. If you click on this X button, it will go off, and maybe you can just remove the music if you don't like that particular one, and then click on add a sound. Then these are the featured music, these are the trending music according to them. Then if you click on favorites, the one you clicked on this heart icon, but because I don't have any, I can just go and search on the search bar, type any artist I want, or click on any of these ones that they suggested, which I've just done. So it will come up like this. If you swipe down, you can delete it, you can just move it up or down. Now when you swipe over the picture, you can have different filters. You can see as I'm swiping over, the filters are changing. Anyone I like, I can save. I can save more than one, and once I click save, that one is saved, another one will also come up. So it just depends on you what you want. You can save it. So now I'm going to just be trying the lenses. You can see the changes on my face. As you can see, this one is good, this one has time and date, this one has hard sign, this one has dates too. It has a lot of cool lenses that this one you can you can see all the things that it's showing me, and I'm putting my face, trying to look at it. So now coming to you that is a content creator, how can you use Snapchat to help yourself? Because of the numerous lenses that are available in Snapchat, like this one, you can create video and distort your face if you don't want your face to be seen as it is. You can use this one to create a character. I know a lot of people that have a baby face. Like if you know Taoma, she does comedy. You can see she has a baby face that is called Tenny. She has Tao. She also has this other character, Dayo Abi, and she has a husband, Kole. So you can use Snapchat to make one of your character, and the face will be like that, and the voice will be like that of a baby, and all of that. So it can help you. Like this one, it's raining. So if you want to create a scene where it looks as if it's raining, you can use this particular filter, this lens, to create that. So that is why I feel Snapchat can help you as a content creator. Also, if you get to the end, you see where it wrote explore lenses. So you just click on it, you see the different lenses that are not captured there. You can see this one that looks like cartoon. You can see there's also a comedian that uses this one. You can see how it is. So even though some of them are scary, some of them are funny, but then you are not looking at the scariness or the funniness. You are looking at yourself, who is the content creator, how can this thing help you in your content creation journey? Do you want to create a character that's one of the lens can be the permanent face of that character? I don't know if you understand me. So you can just come here and choose the lens, choose the face, and it will be that for you. So this is how I feel it can help you. And also, one thing I love about Snapchat is that even if usage, it has low memory usage. When you are using Snapchat, it's not the same with your normal phone camera. The quality is also there. It has good clear quality. If you don't have, maybe you're looking for makeup, you're looking for this, and you don't have money for all of that, you can use Snapchat. Just choose a nice filter and use it for your content creation. You can use it to record videos. And another thing I also like Snapchat is that when you are playing a song and you are recording a video on Snapchat, it does not stop the song from playing. And you can use it if you want to time yourself. After that, you silence the audio, and then you now use that track, that sound. You use that sound for your video, and you'll be able to match a particular song that you're using for your content creation journey. So there are a lot of things that you can also use this Snapchat to create short clips for yourself, short clip for your videos that you may need for your content creation. I feel that Snapchat is a very good app for you to use. And for so many people that don't know, Snapchat also has they also pay. It's not just there for you to look, for you to just create your pictures. You can also use it. It's also a social media platform where you can, get paid for using the content. You can see this one. If you're acting a play where maybe you need someone to cover up like an arm robber, you can use this lens for the person. Maybe you change clothes and use this face, and wear this hoodie, this thing, head warmer. You see that you have gotten a perfect picture. See these other lenses, anyone you want, you just click on it, and what you get it. So you can just see a lot of them. Some of them are scary. I may not want to open it, so that you can still continue to watch this video. So, but I believe you got what I mean. So, as a content creator, one of the things you have to look at is to, go out there and find things that can help you. So, if you see this place where there are people, you can just see people and their creations. You can see your friends, your contacts. If you click on message, you see messages that people have sent to you. This one is the camera. If you click on for you, maybe songs and all of that. So this is lens, this is location, this is messages, this is camera, this is location. If you want to share location, this is messages for you, this is camera, this is if you want to upload a video, you click on this place up here, this plus button up here, you'll be able to upload a video that people can also watch. People can also watch your video if you want. If you want to share location, you can allow. Then they would see your location. You can send it to your friends. You can see the send button here. You can share, snap the map, you can send to your friends or what. So I'm just going to show you how to use the video. So if you want to video yourself using Snapchat, just this center place where you snap, just hold it. Don't leave it. If you leave it, the video will save, but hold it for as long as you want. Though it doesn't record for a very long time, but you can record up to 3 minutes or more. So once you are done, you can click on this T button, that's test. So you can add test. You can also set the duration of the test. You can add, if it's AI, AI can help you to modify your test if you want. But I'm just going to just add my test and use this color and other buttons here to modify the test. So this is to teach you if you are using content Snapchat for making a picture or a video and you want to write something on it. This is how it is done. So once you do that, you just click on the back button of your keyboard and it will be saved. So you can click on any of these text formats and fonts, to choose the particular one that you want. Once you are done, just go back. This is for color. If you don't want the color to be neutral color, you can customize it. So anytime you tap on the text, you can edit it. Another thing you can do is to move the text up or down until you get a perfect place where you want it to be on your video. So that is it. So these keys by the for my on my own screen is the right side. It's just the screen where you can just edit your video or the picture, and add music, edit it, add text, add whatever you want to add to it until you get what you want. If you don't want any of the music, you can search the artist you want and click on this play this so that it will play, and you just save it, and that's all. So I'm just going to search for No Turning Back. The one I'm searching for, they've not added it. So if you like it, you can see this heart option. You just like it, they will save it as your favorite music. So I'm just going to pull it down so that it will not cover my face, and bring it down to this. If I don't want it, I'll also delete it. Like I've already said before, anytime you swipe over the picture, it will give you different lenses, and anyone you like, you can see. If you don't want it, to just remove it. It's as simple as that. Snapchat is a very cool app. I don't know how many people that use it. If you recorded your video with sound, you can click on this volume button or the speaker sign, and you would change and you silence it if you don't want it. You can click on this other one to search for lenses. You can click on this one to for audio. This one is for link. Any of the buttons you click on in that particular place, you see a lot of things too. You can crop your picture, you can share links that you've copied. I did not copy any links, so I'll just click not now. So I'm just trying to see all these things. This is for crop if you want to crop, and a lot of things that you can do with Snapchat. So Snapchat is a very important app that you can use to upgrade your content creation and help yourself, even if you don't have all the gadgets that you feel that you need as a content creator. You can use the little ones around you to do it to help yourself. So don't dull on this, and don't see it as something for the girls. Some people see it as girls app, where they use the app to play or to do anything. So you can share your video. If you click on the send button on that place, you can just share your video to anybody. These people are just some of my contacts that are on Snapchat. If I click on this send this now, they'll ask me to send it to the spotlight, but I don't want, because I will just add it to my story if I want. If I don't want, I can just save it to my phone and let it be there. At least I use it for this tutorial. So it's not as if anything you use you must post it. No, you must not post everything that you used. So going to search for a particular song, Sound of Salem. I still did not see it. So what I noticed is that their music list is also limited. You cannot compare it to Facebook or YouTube music list. If you want to add music to your video that you have made. So I noticed that they have a limited music list, but can just make do with what they have. So like I said, you can move this music up or down, and just so that it will not cover your face. If you still want it to cover your face, that's okay. It's all up to you. So these are just some of the things I wanted to share with you on this, and how to make Snapchat your content creation buddy. So if you found anything helpful in this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to ask your questions, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video to anyone that you feel this video will help, and tell them that Snapchat is not just the app for girls to filter use filters and snap themselves, that you as a content creator can use it to your own benefit. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video without my voice. Bye.